Shalom, first and foremost. I want to give all honor, praise, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakakwadash. Double honor to our apostles and elders, a great millstone that rule well. Peace and salutations to the hopeful elect, pushing this true doctrine across the four winds of the earth in all truth and in sincerity. I'm Lamad Ariyah from the Mississippi camp. Lord willing to be edifying lesson. And this is a quick lesson just going into some more abomination. And the title, as it reads, the brat and fiance Jessica Dupart expecting first baby together, extending the family. All right. Now, this is how things have been turned upside down, and this is how evil is considered good and good is considered evil, man. These are the ways wickedness have been able to flourish in this wicked society, man. Is by allowing these type of things to be done. Things like a woman marrying a woman, as well as a man marrying a man. All these abominable acts, man. And it's uplifted in the society. It's considered a honorable move. They are considered heroes, strong people, because they come out the closet and decide they want to be with the same sex. And that's clearly against the scriptures. Clearly against the scriptures. Clearly against nature. Okay? Now, this article reads, on Monday, Grammy-nominated rapper 47 announced that she and her businesswoman, 39 are expecting first baby together. Less than a month before their wedding. This will be the brat's first child, while Dupart has 3 children from previous relationships. Now, this woman has 3 children from a previous relationship, right? Clearly, she know or knew that she's supposed to be with a man. Clearly, if she had 3 kids, or 3 children rather. Then you have the brat, who's a straight up demon dyke, who chooses to be with women, and probably have been with some men somewhere throughout her life. Because, these people are just, wicked and filthy, man. They're all performers or practice sodomy. But talking about they're finna have their first child. This bitch is not about to have a child. The woman that she's lusting with is finna have a child. Who's the father? There's a man seed inside of this woman if they're finna have a child. Even if it is artificially and simulated. Even if they had went to a sperm bank or got a man that they know to use his sperm to implement it into her uterus, into her egg, or however you want to put it. But see, this is confusion, man. This is how this kingdom operates. It operates on wickedness, confusion, filth, and everything that's contrary to the scriptures, man. Everything that's contrary to the scriptures, this wicked kingdom allows, man. And like I say, it's uplifted. And it goes further with the people who see these things, man. They are accepting of it. Man, that's why Yahweh Shai has to come back soon, man. Man, we got to be at the dead end of this wicked rule, man. Because it's just too much wickedness going on, and it's getting more and more crazy. It's getting more and more just completely mind blowing. How far this wickedness is continuing to exceed itself. And knowing these people just walking throughout the earth, cool with this all, man. Cool with it all. It don't make them no difference. Everybody's supposed to love everybody. Everybody's supposed to be accepting of anybody's life, how they live it. You know, do as thou wilt just runs rapidly. You know, hey, the Lord is gonna destroy this place, man. And you people who encourage these type of behaviors, who give praise to these type of people, hey, the Lord is gonna destroy you too, man. The Lord is gonna destroy you too, man, because it's an abomination, man. And that's in Proverbs 17, verse 21. Because you will condemn individuals who speak on the wickedness of this type of behavior, man. To condemn the behavior of these people who are lusting and dealing with the same sex, man. When it's clearly, again, against the scriptures. It's clearly against the ways Yahweh Bashem Yahushua. So I'm going to give a couple of scriptures and I'm going to close it out. This is the book of Romans, chapter 1, verse 26. For this cause, Yahweh Bashem Yahushua gave them up unto vile affections. For even their women did change the natural use into that which is against nature. And this is against nature. Two women, scissor fighting. Can't be productive. They can't produce children. They have to go and get artificially assimilated. Go to a sperm bank. Get some Jake to even maybe possibly have sex with the woman to get her impregnated. But two women can't do that, man. You know, what can two inserts do for each other, man? What can two sockets do for each other? To produce another human being, to have another child or impregnate a woman with the child, you have to have sex, man. Sex has to be performed between a male and a female. The male will insert his penis into the woman's vagina, ejaculate inside of her, and she will become impregnated. Two women don't have the tools to do that. But they have left the natural use. Let's read that in the NLT. This is Romans chapter 1, verse 26 in the NLT. That is why Yahweh Bashem Yahushua abandoned them to their shameful desire. Even the women turned against the natural way to have sex, instead indulged in sex with each other. That's against nature. What this shit say? My child will have all my names. Honey the Brat said while hosting Dish Nation. Man, this fucking shit is wicked, man. Fucking look at them. This is, man, I can't wait till the Lord come back and destroy you people, man. Can't wait till the Lord come back and destroy you people. Guess they, you know, bundle up on feminine products and shit. Just, this shit is confusion, man. And the Lord is going to kill them, man. This is the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 11, starting at verse 8. For the man is not of the woman, but the woman of the man. Neither the man created for the woman, but the woman for the man. And that's the point, man. The woman is created for the man. The woman is to bear the man's seed. And that's it. The Lord created the man for the woman for the man. Damn, Jake always pulling up when trying to do a video. So that's the point, man. This behavior is wicked, and the Lord is going to kill all those who accept it and participate in it. Shalom.